Guys, yesterday guys, I catching only 2 pieces. They're good size, but this time, isama natin yan guys sa ating vlog. But this time, andito tayo sa may basketball court. We're catching the already good size too. Okay, so, oh, this is it. Ito nang huli natin. Agwas guys, isama natin doon ng yesterday. At least we have activities today guys. It's not big size now and the weather is very bad. Look. What's that? Black lady, ha? Siyan low tayo guys. At least meron tayong catching today guys. See, look. Muli, I came now. Oh, that's not really guys. Isama natin yung kapon. We together at night time. And today. Alright. Mr. B, good afternoon. Mar, good afternoon Mar. Ayan guys, so tsaka malakapas yung isa. Okay, tignan natin guys habang kumakagat pa. Look guys, oh, my friend. Stay there. Yeah, continue sa fishing. Relax kay. Whoop. Dahil naman kay inaatakan tayo ng isda. Tsaka dito sa right side, may fisherman yan guys. So, continue sa tayo guys. This is it. And papachiri guys. Ito na nga guys. Kinagatan na tayo. Tingnan nyo Dito ka wala pa guys. Sayang. Sige lang. Tingnan natin guys. I'm losing that one. Alright guys, ran out already guys. My breed. See, and we have the fisherman there too, but the water going down. But me, look at me guys, the weather is very good. Right, shout out my darling my California Mar. Si Roski channel si Salat, I forgot already guys, but at least still have catching guys. Look, may catching today guys, but after maybe like 4 o'clock they come back if the weather is good. Right there, it's very beautiful, but I look my catching. It's not big size. Already okay guys, but as Peter you can see it, how many pieces this one. I catching today. It's not big, but oh god. That is, see? This is a lot guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Yeah, maybe like 35 guys. Alright, at least not zero guys. Back after this afternoon. Yeah, I want to eat lunch guys because my wife pick up the friend to drop my house, and then I go straight maybe in the store to buy the new bread. Alright, continuous natin guys mamaya guys. This ko lang ng video guys, simula kanina guys. Umpisa na tayo, mag alas 2 natin guys. Yun yun ang huli natin guys. Hindi malalaki, tama-tama lang. At least okay na ito guys, sa kawalaan tayo. Kaya gagawin ko to mamaya pinamalan. Shout my friend na policeman guys, with Umar friend and Ryan. And shout out si Archie. Archie, good morning bro. Thanks for your comment bro last night. Enjoy ka lang dyan bro, kasi si Papa J enjoy din sa pagkuhuli ng maputi ngayon. Alright, and condolence pala sa kaibigan ko. Namatay daw ng Friday. Second stroke, hindi talaga siya nakasurvive guys. Ay, Jesus name. Nakita pa kami nung bago ako dumating dito sa Saipan. Ay. Alright, enjoy na tayo guys. Mr. B, enjoy lang bro. Ito guys, time to go home. May kumagat pa guys oh. Ayan oh. Kasi I'm making cooking now guys. At least continuous natin habang may kumakagat pa. Ayan guys oh. Pinanggawin natin pinamalan ngayon sa araw to guys oh. Yan ang pinamalan natin ngayon guys. You can I make video this one guys po, make pinamalan guys. Continuous natin. Dito sa may spot pa rin guys. Yes sir. Time to go home guys. Supposed to be very good, but the problem is like the maputi cannot see my bread already guys. At least it's okay. Time to cook now my my fish today guys. But tomorrow the type on going to straight to the Philippines guys. I don't know tomorrow is a good weather too, but this time it was to be very good. But the problem is my bread cannot see, my maputi cannot see my bread already guys. At least it's catching guys, right? And condolence to the family of Ruben guys. My friend is losing 2 weeks ago. I went to was by there. I checked, but I seen the last I think like 4 months ago guys. By the way, this is guys, I make a pinamalan today. Alright, at least may have a pinamalan today guys. At a fresh piece. Woohoo! Ay. Let's go guys. Because I'm really hungry. I not yet lunch. I want to cook first this one. Okay. Okay guys. Ito na yung guys yung nahuli natin. Kabuuan nahuli natin. Kaya ito ngayon ang gawin natin pinamalhan. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 guys. Yan lang guys. Masama ito guys. Yan guys kasi nakanda ko na yan guys yung ano ko yung lutuan ko guys oh. Kasamahan ko pang ito. Ganito. Titinan ko guys ha. Kung hindi kakasya dito ko na titirahin. Alright, continuous natin guys. I want to clean up this one first before I cooking. Because we have the talong and the local bitter melon. Kasi mukhang hindi kakasya doon guys. Marami. Alright, continuous natin guys. Clean up first before cook. Okay? Look what get my face. But that's only pinamalan. Yeah. After this one, I eat, but I don't put the ginoto. See? The piece in the bottom. Right? After this, eating time. Right, Mr. B? Yummy, yummy, bro. Continuous natin guys. Cooking fish pinamalan with talong and vegetable. Limang ang tawag nito sa Tagalog. Kalimutan ko. Wala na kayo patanda na. Continuous natin guys. Alright, let's go.